Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sugar cookies from Squid Game. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tiny pinch of baking soda. You'll also need a non-stick pan, a small metal ladle, and a flat, heat-resistant surface. Don't forget your chosen cookie cutter for that iconic shape. This easy method will have you enjoying your own dalgona in no time. Now let's melt the sugar. Place 2 tablespoons of sugar in your metal ladle and hold it over medium-low heat. Stir constantly with a chopstick or skewer. Watch as the sugar transforms into a clear, amber-colored liquid. Be careful not to burn it, as this will make it bitter. Patience is key here for a smooth, delicious base. Once your sugar is perfectly melted, remove the ladle from the heat. Immediately add a tiny pinch of baking soda. Stir very quickly and vigorously for about 5 to 10 seconds until the mixture becomes light and foamy. Pour this hot mixture onto your prepared flat surface. While it's still warm, gently press your cookie cutter into the center to create the shape. Let your dalgona cookie cool completely on the flat surface. This usually takes several minutes, allowing it to harden and become brittle. Once it's firm, carefully lift it off. Now you have your very own Squid Game sugar cookie. The real challenge begins. Try to cut out the shape without breaking it. Good luck and have fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.